There are a couple of questions where they don't give you a picture and they're not asking you to solve for area, they're asking you to solve for either the length or the width. So in this problem, it says the area of a rectangle, right, we mark, is 84 square feet. The length is 12. What is the width? So when I'm plugging into my formula for A, L, and W, I want to make sure I'm plugging in the right numbers. 84 is the area, and A is area. So instead of A, I'm plugging in 84 equals. I also have the L, the length is 12, and I'm multiplying it by my width, which I don't know yet. So notice how I didn't plug it into the length and the width. I plugged it into the area and the length. Now I need to solve for the W. I need the W to be all by itself. I want W equals, and I need a number. So I'm going to have to move this 12 to the other side so I have it by itself. The opposite of multiplying by 12 would be to be dividing by 12. And the reason I would do the opposite is 12 divided by 12 is 1, which really cancels it out because 1 times W is W. But if I do dividing by 12 on one side, I need to make sure I divide by 12 on the other side. So I will be doing 84 divided by 12, which gives me 7, which means that my width is 7 feet. Sorry, 7 feet. And I can double check that I'm correct. If I plug back in area equals length times width, well, my area was 84, and that should be 12 times 7. And if I do that correctly, 84 is equal to 84. We're going to do another one of those examples because that's a little bit trickier of a problem. This one deals with volume. It says the volume of a rectangular prism is 24 cubic inches. The length is 3 inches and the width is 4 inches. What is the height? So when I go to plug into my formula here, I want to make sure I'm putting the right things in. So 24 is the volume. So I'm going to put that for V. So this is my 24 equals my length is 3 times my width, which is 4. And I don't know my height yet, so I keep it as an H. So here, I could combine a few things. Again, my goal is to get H by itself down here. H equals something. Okay, I'm going to combine a few things first. I'm going to say that 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times something, whatever my H is, my height is going to give me 24. And some of you might already know 12 times 2 gives me 24. I know that the H height is 2. But if you weren't sure, you could say, well, I want to get the 12 to the other side. I'm going to divide by 12. That gives me 1, which cancels it out and leaves me with H. But I need to do it to the other side as well. 24 divided by 12 would give me 2. So I would have a height of 2 inches. And I would check my answer to make sure that 24 should equal 3 times 4, and hopefully, if it works, times 2. So 24 would equal, and I could do the first step, 12 times 2, and then I know that 24 is indeed equal to 12 times 2, which is 24. All right, those are 2 examples of how you might solve for the volume or the area.